Hi everyone, let's get into it. This is the Marshall Monitor 3 version 3 ANC, 70 hours of wireless playtime. It has speedy tap, Bluetooth, Marshall signature sound, ANC and transparency mode, 70 hours of wireless playtime, like I said, rugged and foldable design, M control button which can be customizable, I think, when can be customized, Bluetooth, Lee audio ready. So let's get into it. Oh, like this. There it is. That's a tiny box. And on the back in here, it just says please download the Marshall Bluetooth app and update the headphones firmware. And then that's how you fold them. Interesting. Is there anything else in here? I think we should have a charging cable. So that's a quick start guide, and on the other side probably a charging cable, which is really nice, and obviously the audio jack. So we have the USB, or golden plated as well. So hang on, this is that's how you charge them. Yeah, so very small, but it's a bit more thicker, but it's quite nice and small, and the quality on this is amazing. Marshall, gold everywhere, proper zippers, really good quality. So let's open it up and see the headphones. But I don't understand, they didn't give us any charging cable, which is a bit weird. How do they expect you to charge them? They expect you to use any other charging cable, and this is where I have my Marshall Middleton. I'm so happy with it. It's so nice. The music quality is amazing, the quality of the music. And then look at that velvet, and I think that's where the cable is. Thanks God we do have a cable. So this plush material inside, and the headphones, man, this is something that you need to have at least once in your lifetime, because the quality on this is amazing. Look at the detailing here. I have this finishing here, the button, and there's also a hidden button which is in here. So yeah, let me just take it out of the box, but before and look, this is like that, so it will stay in place. It's not gonna get, and this is the cable, very tiny but enough, USB-C to USB-C for charging. Okay guys, so the first thing I've noticed is, wow, they're so light but also premium. So yeah, that's an actual button in there, and then there's another one in there which does the ANC, I think. Yeah, ANC. Nothing on the other side, but then you have some I think those are the microphones in there and there, and then they should be on this side as well, there and there. The only thing that is plastic, I don't know if people are mentioning that, so that's made of plastic, I think. Oh no, it's cold to the touch actually, I don't know. Let me see. No, yeah, sorry, that's metal, my bad. It looks like plastic but it's metal, so that's good. The water relief. Yeah, that's another band. They're very light, these headphones. And let's see quickly for the this is very soft. It's the softest I've ever seen. So if we do that test, yeah, they're very comfortable, very comfortable. That's how it's inside. I don't think it has any sensors for proximity, or how it's called, you know, the one where you take them off and the music stops, but just have to see. There's a little sticker in here. Listen to that. How satisfying is that, guys? And what it does say in there, East 1962. Wow. That has a sticker as well? No. What does left to right? And this cable as well, which is quite nice. And guys, they expand quite a bit. That's the maximum, so it will work on any big head out there, no problems at all. I'm now wearing them and they are so comfortable. Yeah, amazing. I'll put a photo maybe at the end of the video. So yeah. So yeah, this was the unboxing video. I'm gonna probably do a little video maybe with the app, and then I'll just tell you how they sound. By this point it's just an unboxing video. And yeah, these are the new headphones that I'm gonna use. Thanks for watching.